If you're experiencing an installation loop with League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you disable the loop and get back to playing. Step 1. Close the launcher. Make sure the League of Legends launcher is completely closed. Check your task manager to ensure no League of Legends processes are running in the background. Step 2. Delete temporary files. Navigate to the temporary files folder by typing %temp% in the Windows search bar. Once opened, delete all files related to League of Legends to clear any corrupted data that may be causing the loop. Step 3. Repair the game. Open the League of Legends launcher and look for the repair option. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them, potentially fixing the installation loop. Step 4. Update your system. Ensure that your operating system and all drivers are up to date. Sometimes, outdated software can interfere with game installations. Check for updates and install them as necessary. Step 5. Reinstall League of Legends. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling League of Legends completely and then reinstalling it. This fresh installation can often resolve persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the installation loop and enjoy playing League of Legends again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.